get my head straight. So much drama, I'm like fuck it homie, let's play daily games. Send me straight to hell, will I make it? Time will tell. Writing these words down, no lie, I'm keeping it real. Still, it's just how I feel, and that's how I deal with everyday bullshit. Who's this trying to run up and straight talk shit? Better stay cautious, I'm losing my conscience, running out of options. Demons buying my soul, highest bidder at the auction. Trying to do right but faced with wrong shit. It's just the mind of a gangster caught in a storm, set dripping. If you dare to cross, I'll stare you down with a barrel. Real rap devil sending you off, you lost, should've known. You can't fuck with something you can't see, it's the unknown. Rolling heavy like a tank, be blowing motherfuckers up and folding this bank. You can't fuck with something you can't see. Under the ground where it began, under the sun is where I ran, and that's why I learned to slang these drugs and squeeze these triggers. No reflection in these mirrors, demons surround, God can't hear us when you're smothered by this misery. Raised in the gutter, all I got's my brothers, their mother whose history. The mystery lurks close, fuck those silly hoes. We ain't the ones to test, that's when my 9 really go black. Make it another day, cause no one really know.
Hits the unknown sounds that sound unknown. Better be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we put it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds. Hits the unknown sounds that sound unknown. Better be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we putting it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds. Hits the unknown sounds that sound unknown. Better be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we putting it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds. I grew up in the system, foster juvenile jail to prison. For years we put it down, the unknown sounds got you to listen to the storm. Volume 1 and 2 produced by the hood for you. We was young as fuck, but we still know what we had to do. Evil among us, the streets were a battlefield, but we still kept a gangster mode. It's a soldier story full of glory, representing for the unknown. I live my life with no regrets, listening for the war cause. Disrespect, tongue kiss my neck, empty the clip and kill you all. I will not fall, I'm in the hood. A brown soldier misunderstood. Try to stop us, I wish you would. Nobody can stop us, haven't you heard? A bunch of years have passed by, so our lyrics they have matured. Like a son watching them grow, give them an order, follow every word. The group started out with 8, and now there's only 4 left. 2 in prison, 1 in jail, the other moved to Phoenix, man. Shit ain't changed cause we still here, writing lyrics, drinking this beer, doing these songs for all of our peers. We'll keep doing it till we disappear, but this music lives on forever. Like the memory of homeboy Clever, let you down, that shit is never. Trying our hardest to keep it together, repping the east and saying fuck it. Going hard until I kick the bucket, drinking this liquor, catching my buzz quick. The unknown sound is what you're bumping.
Unknown sound that sounds unknown. So you better know what's up, you know this shit representing 2009. Making all you motherfuckers hate, cause we dropping that real shit straight from Southern California, sucker, you know, right?
It's the unknown sounds that sound unknown. But be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we putting it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds. Hits the unknown sounds that sound unknown. Better be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we putting it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds. Hits the unknown sounds that sound unknown. Better be cautious cause we letting them go. Better look over your shoulder, soldier, you might not be making it home. For years we putting it down, staying true to the underground. Hits the unknown sounds, hits the unknown sounds.
Midnight sound, straight beats, drop straight, rap, glory, soldier.